His music is saying "F you" to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, "F you, I love you. Now let me play you some beautiful music." You know, so there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Mà tôi báo gì cho Em ngerti nya, nah bicara. Masih cek kok. Gua lagi. Jangan segitu kan. Ya, gua begini. Ya, benar. Nah.
Iya, kemudian.
Jangan lu fullin semua, men.
Terbung kita.
Nah, udah. Coba sound